Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by narrowing scope. Pick a short assembly slot and commit to 3-5 headlines so you stay focused. Next, scan trusted outlets and school channels for fresh items. This reduces bias and keeps relevance. Once you find candidates, save 2 reliable sources for each story so you can verify facts and quotes quickly. Make sure to note grade-appropriate language and any sensitive topics early. That way you avoid surprises and plan who will introduce each short headline. Now you curate. Read the full reports and extract 1 to 2 essential facts that students must know, because brevity makes impact. Then translate each fact into a 20-30 word student-friendly summary. This helps presenters stay clear and fast. Also craft a 1-sentence takeaway or a quick question to prompt thinking or discussion. While doing this, rehearse phrasing aloud so you can trim jargon and time each piece. This practice ensures smooth delivery during the assembly. Finish by assigning speakers and timing each headline so the assembly stays within the slot. Practice transitions to keep energy up. Prepare 1 simple slide or cue card per story with the summary and takeaway because visuals support retention. Once done, confirm permissions for any sensitive content. If something goes wrong, technical glitch, or last-minute content issue, switch to your backup story and read the quiet handling plan. Acknowledge, pivot, and keep the assembly calm while you resolve details.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.